Day 2 of the ceasefire, and it seems to be holding despite its shaky start. And Tehran is starting to look and feel like itself. The streets are filling up with traffic. But so many of the city's residents fled when the Israeli attack started. But 50% of the cafes, the shops, the government offices are still shut. Iranians are waiting over the weekend, which starts tomorrow, to see whether this truce will last. But there are some good signs. The internet is starting to return, and with them, the posts on social media. Some Iranians praising their government, some protesting. This is the kind of conversations that will intensify here, in private and in public. But what matters outside matters as well, especially in Washington with President Trump, across this region and far beyond. As relieved as Iranians are that there is a ceasefire, many are asking, how long will it last?